Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's tutorial video I will show you how you can hide your online status on your WhatsApp app. But before that, do like our video, subscribe our channel, and if you have already done it, thank you so much to share our video too. So yeah, let's get started. So all you have to do is go to your WhatsApp app, and yeah, once your app is open, all you do is tap on this three dot icon above right corner, tap on it, and then you will directly go to settings, and then you can see all the options. Then you will just tap on this privacy option, and then you will tap on this last seen and online option. Tap on it. First of all, we will do nobody on who can see my last seen. Nobody. Once you're done with that, then you can see who can see when I'm online. It is everyone. Then you will do same as last seen. Since same as last seen is nobody, that means nobody will be able to see if you're online or not. So that's how you can change your online status on WhatsApp app. And and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll be seeing you guys in another video of ours.